Hey guys, I hope you are doing fine. In this video, I'm going to ask some questions to Lucy, and Lucy is an English teacher. So this question is going to help you to speak better English, and you will go to know that how can we ask someone question and how to reply the questions of answers. So let's check it out, okay? What was the last concert you went to?
The last concert I went to was a festival when I was 20.
Do you have a favorite season?
Yes, my favourite season is spring.
What do you like about that season?
I love all the new life, the new leaves and the new flowers.
How many people are in your immediate family?
Do I count the dog and the cat? If so, 4 of us.
Do you have any siblings?
Yes, I have a younger brother called George.
How old is your sibling?
My brother is 23, my baby brother.
How often do you see your sibling?
Not as often as I'd like.
Are you married?
Yes, I'm just married.
It's me. It's me.
How would you describe your husband?
Lovely, handsome, very tall, and very funny.
Very camera shy.
Very camera shy.
How old were your parents when they got married?
My mum was 24 and my dad was 28.
Do you have children?
No,
Do you plan to have children?
I would love to have children.
What does your father do for work?
My father works with sports pitches.
What does your mum do for work?
My mother was a swimming teacher and now she's a housewife.
What do your parents do for fun?
My parents love spending time with the family. We always have such a laugh.
How would you describe your parents?
Hilarious, lovely, wonderful.
Where do you live currently?
I currently live in the Cotswolds.
Do you live in an apartment or a house?
We live in a house.
Why did you choose your current home?
We fell in love with it.
How did you find your home?
With great difficulty. It took a very long time, but it's worth it.
Do you have a favorite room in your home?
Probably the dining room.
Is there an item in your home you could not live without?
My dog. Is he an item? Maybe my fridge.
Do you have any pets?
Yes, I have 2 pets.
What pets do you have?
I have a cat and a dog. More specifically, a Maine Coon cat and a golden
What
retriever.
are your pets' names?
The cat is called Alfonso and the dog is called
Do you have a garden?
I do have a lovely garden.
Do you and your husband have specific duties around the house?
No, I'd say we share most things.
Which side of the bed do you sleep on?
When my husband's there, I sleep on the left, and when he goes away, I sleep on his side because I miss him.
What time do you eat breakfast?
Around 7:30 to 8.
What do you like to eat for breakfast?
I always have porridge. Every single day, banana porridge.
What do you prefer, coffee or tea?
Coffee. I'm a bad Brit.
What's your favorite food?
Fruit, fruit, fruit.
How often do you eat your favorite food?
At every opportunity.
Where do you shop for food?
We use an online grocery website.
Do you like to cook?
I love cooking.
What's the best dish you cook?
I make a mean beef Wellington.
Do you prefer to eat at home or eat out?
I love eating out, but I also love eating at home. I can't choose.
Do you have a favorite restaurant?
Yes, it's a French restaurant in Cheltenham called L'Artisan.
What's your favorite cuisine?
Spanish cuisine because it reminds me of when I lived there.
What's your favorite vegetable?
I would say tomato, but I think that's a fruit.
Would you say you eat a healthy diet?
Yes, everything in moderation.
What will you eat for supper
I
tonight?
think we're having prawn linguine.
Do you like your husband's cooking?
Yes, I love my husband's cooking.
How would you describe yourself?
Enthusiastic and always learning.
Are you more like your mum or dad?
My mum. I'm more like my
Who
mum.
do you look up to?
Parents and my grandparents.
What makes you happy?
fruit, spending time with my family and my husband.
Are you shy?
Sometimes, especially in big groups.
What animal would you use to describe yourself?
A golden retriever.
Who is your favorite author?
I like Stephen King.
Is there a book by this author you would recommend?
I quite enjoyed Under the Dome.
How many languages do you speak?
3.
Do you prefer big cities or small towns?
Small towns, always.
Do you like the beach or the mountains?
Can't we have both?
Do you like to travel?
I love travelling.
What was your favorite trip?
Our honeymoon in St. Lucia, where we had mountains and the beach.
What country would you like to travel to?
I always want to go back to Spain. It's where my heart is.
Do you have plans to travel in the future?
Yes, lots of travel plans this year.
Where do you go on your last vacation?
We went to Spain. We did a 2-week road trip.
What do you like to do when you travel?
We like to relax, we like to try new food, and we like to explore.
Do you prefer to travel alone or with others?
Always with others.
What's your favorite mode of travel?
I like to fly.
Do you pack heavy or light?
Unfortunately, I always pack heavy.
What are your hobbies?
I really like running, cycling, and making videos on YouTube.
Which is your favorite hobby?
Probably cooking. I didn't mention that before.
Do you enjoy watching TV?
Very rarely. We don't actually have a TV.
What shows do you watch on TV?
We like comedy shows, especially funny political commentary.
What was the last movie you watched?
Catch Me If You Can. Great film.
Do you like going to the cinema?
Yes, but I have a short attention span, so no long movies, please.
Do you enjoy acting?
No, I find it embarrassing.
Can you sing?
Only if I've had a drink.
Do you play any instruments?
Yes, I do. I play the violin.
If you could learn a new instrument, what would it be?
It would be the piano because I want to write songs.
Do you listen to music while you work?
Never, because I work with the language and it confuses me.
Do you like watching sports?
No, I don't, but my husband does.
Is there a team that you support?
The opposite side to my husband?
Do you play sport when you were young?
I was in the rowing team at school.
Do you like shopping for clothes?
I like shopping for clothes, but I hate online shopping. I need to be there in person.
How often do you buy new clothes?
Not that often. As people can probably tell by my YouTube videos, I wear the same thing.
So guys, these were our questions answered. So I hope you would like this video. Have a good day. Bye bye and take care. See you in next video.